Christopher Coppola and his pal Larry hanging out on their favorite couch. It's a very old couch that we will not throw away. Mr. Fulneri, better known as Oduzzi, knows the importance of old things. We talked about that on the CRC live blog radio show. We talked about being a throwaway society. We both started sobbing about how he had to get rid of his old couch of over 40 years. We talked about baseball, filmmaking by the people, escaping to his humble Florida shack, his noble father being honored with 3 Purple Hearts during World War II. Old school wisdom. It was a warm and cozy chat. From the heart and to the heart. I know you will enjoy the podcast. Sorry about having to go Mr. Hawking on you, but I damaged my voice box. Besides, Stephen Hawking is the epitome of cool. And on that note, I will sign off.